not all of my clients, and probably very few of the people that work with me, actually ever consulted with an attorney. You can find a lot of the information about community property laws and how things are divided and how alimony and child support works and custody and all that. You can find all that online. Most of my clients are doing it that way, or they're just asking me, Tim, how does it work? But if you have no clue at all, you have no idea what the process is, it's not a bad idea to consult with an attorney. Consultation I had yesterday, she had consulted with an attorney and saved me from having to explain how it all works. I don't give people legal advice on the phone or at all, but I will tell people it's up to you how you want to divide it. But generally, here's how community property laws work, etc. Just Google that term and you'll figure out how community property works. We work with only amicable clients, so we don't have folks asking questions like, how can I avoid paying child support, or how can I avoid paying spouse support, or how can I reduce spouse support, or how can I take advantage of my spouse? We don't have any of that going on here. But if you want to have a consultation with an attorney, by all means, do that and basically have them read to you what your rights are. And that way you can make informed decisions in your divorce. Even if you're working with me, it doesn't mean you have to hire the attorney. Walk away with your consultation, your legal advice. You now can make informed decisions, sit down with your spouse, work it out, and then come to me and we can put you through the divorce process.